Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to send yourself an email reminder on iPhone. So let us get started. First, open the Mail app and go to your inbox. Swipe from left to right on the email message you want to set a reminder of. About halfway across the screen, three icons will appear: More, Flag, and Archive. Tap on More. A pop-up menu will appear and then click on Remind Me. Then, another pop-up menu with preset options like Remind Me in 1 hour, or you can choose Remind Me later. To set a custom reminder time, if you select Remind Me later, use the calendar to choose a specific day. Move the time slider to the on/green position and select the desired time. Tap Done to confirm and set the reminder for the chosen day and time. Once set, emails with reminders will display a small clock icon at the far right in your inbox, indicating that a reminder is active for the message. This feature is a convenient way to stay on top of important emails and tasks, helping you manage your email communication efficiently. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.